Namaste everyone. Mabuhay Philippines. I'm Komal Chaudhary, Miss Earth India 2025. Professionally, I'm a nutritionist and a karate athlete. Throughout my journey, I've learned that strength not only comes from physical training, but also from the food that we eat. And through my advocacy, I want to promote sustainable food and the millet movement. Because millets, these are the ancient Indian supergrains that require very less water and chemical fertilizers to grow. They can sustain in harsh climatic conditions. Through Miss Earth, I want to take this Indian secret globally because I believe that true empowerment comes from sharing and not competing. Thank you so much.
We now welcome a question from our judges.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Regarding sustainable living, you mentioned it a while ago. This is my question. As Miss Earth, how would you encourage people to adopt a more sustainable lifestyle in a world driven by convenience?
So in today's world, the food that we eat has drastically changed. We are more into processed food right now. So through this platform at Miss Earth, I would first want to create awareness about what sustainable food is. And the millet movement is definitely will be very helpful because this is not known globally. People yet don't know what are millets, so creating awareness and then teaching people that you should take one step at a time and have mindful food at a time. Thank you.
And now, a question from our student audience.
Good day, Miss Earth India. My name is Athena. It's so nice meeting you today. You're so beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I would like to ask you, as a Miss Earth candidate, you persistently seek ways and methods to resolve environmental issues, especially in your country, India. What is the most alarming environmental issue for you, and what movements or programs can you raise to solve and reduce the environmental issues in your country?
Thank you so much for the question. It's a really beautiful question. So in India, the biggest problem we face is floods. And it has created a lot of impact on the agriculture. It is threatening the food security. So I believe when we bring millets back in our daily diet, it is very cost effective for the farmers. It can sustain harsh climatic conditions and it also enriches the soil. So I believe the millet movement would be the best option in India and globally to resolve all our problems. Thank you so much.
That will be all. Thank you very much.
And now, one more question from our judges.
Right. Good morning, Miss India.
Good morning.
You mentioned about sustainability earlier. So, sustainability is said to be the language of modern day development. However, we find many people still arguing that sustainability is still a privilege. What are your thoughts on this statement?
So I believe sustainability has always been there around us. We've just become a little ignorant towards it. So going back to our roots and learning what has always been there would be a very helpful choice. So creating awareness is very important in today's day and life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, India. We now have time for one more question.
In relation to your advocacy, if you could speak to someone struggling to live sustainably, what advice would you give?
So to give an advice, I would say sustainability will only be possible if you take small steps at a time. Yeah, small steps at a time. Only then you will be able to follow it. So consistency and discipline would be the key to follow sustainability. Thank you.
Thank you, India. Please, now let's welcome Jamaica.
Thank you so much, everyone.